Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome to Woodworking 101, where today, I'll be guiding you on how to pick the perfect lumber for your projects. First off, let's talk about the basics. There are different types of wood, just as much as there are different types of trees. Loggers deliver the timber from the trees they cut down to factories. These factories then process them into lumber, which construction workers use as building material. Items made from wood are usually sturdy and can last long under the right circumstances. That's why wood remains an essential item for building many projects. Now, when it comes to woodworking, it might tempt you to go for the cheapest lumber. But wait, doing a bit of research on what wood types would better fit your project is crucial. Cheaper lumber might seem like a good idea, but in the long run, it could cost you more. The key here is knowing how to identify the different types of wood, where to get them, and how to use them right. But don't worry, I've got you covered. We've separated the types of wood into 3 categories: hardwoods, softwoods, and pseudowoods. Let's break it down. First up, hardwoods. Hardwoods come from deciduous trees that lose their leaves annually. They are dense, durable, and perfect for furniture, flooring, and cabinetry. Examples include oak, maple, and walnut. Want a sturdy dining table? Go for hardwood. Next, we got softwoods. Softwoods come from coniferous trees which usually remain evergreen. They are lighter and more flexible, making them great for construction and outdoor projects. Think pine, cedar, and spruce. Building a treehouse or a deck? Softwood's your friend. Lastly, pseudowoods. These aren't technically wood but are often used in woodworking. Plywood, MDF, and particle board fall under this category. They are manufactured from wood pieces or fibers and are generally more affordable, perfect for shelves, cabinets, and other indoor projects. To sum it up, choosing the right lumber is vital for the success of your woodworking projects. Hardwood for durability, softwood for flexibility, and pseudowood for budget-friendly options. Taking the time to understand these categories will save you money and effort in the long run. So next time you're at your local lumberyard or home improvement store, you'll know exactly what to look for. Happy woodworking and see you in the next video.